Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a speed clean with me. So just doing a few things around the house that need to be done. So I'm going to start off doing the dishes. I feel like starting off with the dishes is much be the best thing because this is the thing that makes my kitchen the most messy. So I just got a little bit of dishes to do and then I'm going to move on to the hallway. Now that the dishes are done, I'm going to move on to the hallway like I said. So I'm going to start off by wiping my table that is in my hallway, and I'm also going to spray my flowers with some Fabulosa as well. Then once that is done, I'm going to give my doormat a quick hoover, and I'm also going to hoover the hallway also. Now that the floor is hoovered, I'm going to give the floor a quick mop over. Then taking some Febreze and I'm just going to freshen up my doormat so that when anybody does come into my house, not that they can at the moment because we're still on lockdown, but when people are able to, they will smell a nice scent of Febreze. So now I'm just going to go ahead and hoover the stairs. There was a few crumbs on the stairs, so I just wanted to get them up as another thing that I added to my list to do today. Then I went back in with my Febreze and just freshened up the stairs. Alright, so now that I've done everything I needed to do downstairs, I'm going to move on to upstairs. And the first thing I'm going to do is fold all my laundry that I have here that is clean, and I'm going to put them away also. Now to put all the laundry away, so this is Carter's and Nirvana's room, and this is where I keep most of their clothes. A lot of their clothes are hung up, but some of their clothes do go in their drawers, like their pajamas, vests and things like that. So I'm starting off with Nirvana's. In the first drawer I keep her baby grows. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? In the second one I keep all of her vests and her long sleeve vests. In the third drawer, I keep all of her leggings. In her fourth drawer, I keep all of her tights and socks and any underwear little panty things that go under her dresses. I cannot remember what they're called. But now moving on to Carter's drawers. So again, in the same order as Nirvana's, all of his pajamas go in the top drawer. The next drawer has all of his vests as well as some bibs. He doesn't really wear bibs anymore, but they're there just in case, and I also keep his socks in this drawer. Then in the third drawer I keep his jumpers and some of his tops that he doesn't really wear very often, so I don't hang them up. In this drawer I keep all of his shorts, and then in the last drawer I keep all of his joggers and his jeans. You set my world on fire. Alright, so now that all the laundry is put away, I'm going to just quickly tidy up Carter and Nirvana's room. Their room doesn't really get too bad. It's just in the night times, Carter likes to come upstairs before he goes to bed and pull out all of his books because he likes a good couple of books read to him before he goes to bed. So he decides to pull them all out and put them all on the floor. So I've just got a couple of things to put back in here, and then I'm just going to tidy and make their beds. And that's Carter and Nirvana's room. There really wasn't much to do in there, and I only just hoovered and cleaned in here day before yesterday, so it's still really clean in here. Like I said, just a few toys to put back and beds to make. So now onto the bathroom. I went ahead and just gave the toilet a quick brush, and then I also added in some of my Pine toilet disinfectant, and I also gave the rug in my bathroom a quick hoover over. Because it's black, it tends to show up loads and loads of dust and crumbs, so I just wanted to give it a good hoover because they haven't long been washed, so it's just a quick freshen up for them. And I also went ahead and sprayed some Febreze over the rug just to keep it nice and fresh and make the bathroom smell nice also. And I also went ahead and sprayed my shower curtain with some Febreze, and this is just going to make the bathroom smell really nice. So onto my bedroom, I went ahead and changed the sheets. I forgot to do them on Friday, and I'm sorry guys, I didn't upload a Freshen Up Friday, but that's because I'd already did a deep clean just a couple of days before. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!